G'day and welcome back again. Just got me fuel and we're off to the beach. Helmet strapped up. Away we go. A blind corner here. Oh no, it's not that bad. Tree's a bit annoying. No one's coming. Just take it nice and easy. Slow it down. No one's coming. Dodge the bloody holes. Back up to fourth. No one's coming around the corner. And away we go. Gave the chain a bloody a lube yesterday, so I can do some nice pulls without fearing that it's going to bloody fly off and smack me in the back. Slow it down for this corner though, it's a bit of a fucking worry. Oh, beautiful day. Close the visor. There we go. Nice. Just have to pay attention because you do not want to hit any of the potholes or anything like that along here. There's lots of crests and corners after crests in this first fucking half of the drive. Yeah, these potholes used to be dreadful until they filled them in. Oh, didn't see that. Right, hopefully these potholes aren't too bad. Now I've got the shade of the tree blocking my vision from any potholes. It's making it harder for me to see anyway. And then we've got this corner, so we've got to be careful on this one because it's quite a steep one. Just make sure no one's coming up and over the crest. Yep, good. Looking out for potholes. Bloody hell. Bouncing around. Ooh, yeah. Right, I think this is a new recording anyway, so yep, we're off to the beach. Had to get some fuel first. And flex on Americans for being able to just stick the fuel body hose straight into the bike without having to go in or tap my card first. Hopefully the camera doesn't overheat because I got heaps of batteries for it. But yeah, it should get me most of the way anyway. It's about an hour's drive. out to the beach. So it'll probably be about probably a bit past 5 o'clock by the time I get there. And probably chill at the beach for an hour. And then probably ride home at dusk, which is a bit bloody sus. I'll probably take the longer way back. That way there's less of a chance of hitting any kangaroos. I'm not sure what this little town is, or even if it is a town. Oh. Keeping an eye out for road debris, keeping an eye out for any of the driveways, especially the concealed ones. Across the freeway. Once we get around this corner, the road quality increases dramatically. There's not any of this bouncing and fucking hell. Dodging all that stuff. There we go. Onto the nice road now. And this will be the main stretch of the journey. Probably been close to 12 minutes again, probably halfway through a video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you're still here, if you enjoyed it. If not, put a dislike. Let me know why you disliked. Why are you hating? Who knows? I'm not sure whether it's the camera or the memory card that I have that's automatically putting the videos into like Nelly 13-minute long segments. Not too sure, but it's all good. I don't mind it, because I mean, I feel like most people won't really want to watch a bloody 30-minute video in one go. I mean, if you want to watch 30 minutes, just watch 3 videos, one after the other. I sort of try and keep them in order. Bloody hell, now you got boosted off the seat, got a bit of a jump there. Cattle ahead, huh? I wonder if that's true. Someone lost their bloody cap. Doggy. There's a little bloody dog. For some reason I feel like a steak right now. They look delicious. Nice and plump. Oh, I'm drooling. I've got to have lunch today. That's probably why I'm so hungry. Might get some fish and chips before I go for a swim. If the body, they probably won't be open. I think they close on Sundays pretty early. Yeah, there's only one shop in Many Waters. They do the best chips in New South Wales, I reckon. I ate a lot of bloody fish and chips, and by far the best chips. Super crunchy. Just delicious. The fish is pretty awesome.